Hello everyone, Waits and Woods. Going to do a little kayaking trip down here at Sargent's Park off Highway 301. Going to cruise a little bit down the river, get my line wet, and see if we can see these little puppy dogs going back and forth across the river. So I have Kara with me. She's up ahead, and stay tuned. We'll see what we'll see. Well, before we start this shindig off, let's say a little hoorah from the cup here and get a little Java in us. Oh, cold coffee. Love it, love it, love it. All right, let's get steering straight here. And get on up the river. Whoa. My seat. Let's see here. Yep, there we go. And there it goes again. My seat's adjusting a little bit. I figure out what's going on here. Yeah, my seat's kind of adjusting on its own. There we go. Now we're upright. Adjust the camera a little bit. Let's go. Tara's on up there. Let's see if we can catch her. So it's been a minute since we've been out. We've had a few stuff going on. So we're going to take the kayaks from Action Water Sports in Auburndale, Florida. Give Dave a call. Give him a Google search, find out, and I believe you can find him on TikTok, Instagram. He's got nice kayaks and good prices. So, David, thanks again for introducing us into kayaking. You have opened a whole new world. Live action. Don't hit the cup. The levels seem to be up a little bit with some of this rain we've gotten, so that's nice. We might get a little chance of rain today, but shouldn't be too bad. Maybe I should have brought an umbrella with me just in case. In case my kayak wants to fill up with water and sink. Not gonna happen. So this is the Perception Outlaw kayak. Big boy kayak. 11.5 feet long, 34 inches wide. It is stable. All right, Tara's down here at the opening. Let's giddy up. Let's get some cruising speed going. Take some long strokes. Get this baby moving. She said go to the left, so we're gonna go to the left. Oh, she must have something. I see her camera up. It's getting a little shallow right here. I can just get out here and walk right there if I wanted to. All right. Oh, big tree down. I don't know if you can see that right there. Big old tree came down. Going down here where we can go with the flow. I pet that dog. Can I pet that dog? I want to pet that dog. All right, that's a little quick trip, a quick video. Not much, a couple gators, some turtles, you know, your usual stuff out here in the river. So, Weights and Woods. Hope to see you at camp soon.